Alright, chill guys, what's good? Kosher Tech here. So today marks the third day until the giveaway, guys. So this is just a quick update vid. Of course, if you guys saw my last vid, you know, some, as I like to call, technical difficulties happen. It happens, you know, PC, especially with PC hardware, especially with hardware period, things happen. However, a big shout out to Micro Center for hooking your boy up. That's it. That's all I gotta say. Thank you, Micro Center, hooking your boy up. Next, I'm hyped right now. The giveaway's almost here, guys. I solved everything. All the issues went through. What I did was on the rig behind me, that's the giveaway rig, and of course the monitor. That's what I was streaming for yesterday, and I appreciate everyone joining me on the stream yesterday. Basically, I was streaming the performance of the PC. I mean, you guys saw it for yourselves. It ran smoothly. I was playing Call of Duty Black Ops. I was playing some GTA just to show you guys a live benchmark. Now, not everyone does it, so I figured, hey, why not? I'll be the first just to show you guys how it runs. Next, listen, we got 16 gigs of RAM. Everything works in there. I got the Corsair, the Crosshair 6 motherboard in there with the 1600X. Everything is beautiful. The rig, let's peep on it one more time before the giveaway actually occurs. Oh man, listen guys, 3 days left. Tell your mama, tell your grandmama, tell your aunt, tell your auntie, tell your uncle, tell mama, daddy, whoever. Listen, let's get this going. 3 more days, guys. Good luck to everyone. Hopefully the next vid I'll make regarding this is gonna be the announcement of the winner, guys. But that's that. Make sure you guys spread the word. Good luck to all. Again, this was just a quick update. And hopefully this is my last update. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. But spread the news, guys. Spread the message. And I'll catch you guys next time.